So here's to get under here. My daughter says hi. So to get under here, closest screw right here by the tire, and then this screw right here at the corner, and then this one right here. You take these three out to get underneath here, and then there's a little pop-up pin right here which has to come out also. So one, this one's just a pop one, forgot what it's called. And then these three are actually screws. So right here, like come aligned right here, 1, 2, and then 3 right here. All right, so I'm gonna try to show you how this works. So you gotta pull this apart like this, and then this part should just come right out like that. There you go. There you go. You're in. On that clips right here, just pop it out. It didn't break. It usually always happens, but there you have full access underneath now. Hope you can see all the way in there. Yeah. So I just put these in. They go underneath here. So the wires come through. And what I did is I just combined it to the both positives and both negatives into this thing, this male side. So I'm gonna plug this into right here. This is T-tapped into the accent light at the bottom right here, and we'll see if it works. Wish me luck. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. So this is the new side. I have yellow film I'm gonna put on them to make them yellow, but they're white right now. Here's what the other side looks like. So these were a pain because they're individual. So you have 5 individual power wires and 5 individual negative wires, and they're very small. I'd say about 24 gauge wires, and they're very difficult to work with. So I replaced them to only have 2 lights to deal with, and I'm very happy with how they came out. So this is the aftermath of taking those LEDs out. It looks terrible. Some adhesive right here. When I took the bottom ones out, I just put electrical tape. I'm taping this one, leaving that one open for the light wire for the LED bar. So covering this one. I'm gonna clean it up, smoothing it out. But yeah, it looks ridiculous. But from a distance, you can't really tell. I used to have lights right here too. I put waterproof silicone in here to cover that up, to seal the hole, and just electrical tape. I have no idea how I'm gonna patch that hole. Too busy to do it, so little time. Yeah, here's a close-up at the light I'm putting in. So it'll just sit right there, just like it does on the other side. So yeah. And for those of you wondering, I just unplugged this. I unplugged it and I taped up the harness, and I T-tapped into that harness those wires. So that's why this thing doesn't work, or it doesn't turn on. It works if I plug it in, but it doesn't turn on. I don't like it because it's not even bright. So yeah. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Looks good. They came out really nice, and they're actually pretty bright. Very satisfied.